Hey everybody, and welcome to another video. This one we will be unboxing the WALI monitor arm mount. I saw this and this could be utilized for a lighting, camera, and microphone system holder, but right now I'm just going to try it out as a monitor. So looking at this, we get one more piece of tape. If anyone is interested, here is your part list. You can take a look at it as needed, and the thing just opens as such for step one. Step one, pre-assembly. Okay, so they want me to take the posts. So after reading over the manual, there are two different options for clamping. I'm going to go with option A, the desk clamp install. There is also a grommet base install that you use this with. I'm not going through that. I'm going through the desk clamp install. So we're going to take this piece and we are going to attach the post to it now. I'm a bit aghast to say that they don't have a step 2 and don't tell you what screws you need to put in for the back plate for the clamp. And I mean, I'll find it, but it's just something that's weird. Step 2 is install arm to the pole. It doesn't show anything for the clamp, but we will figure it out. Looks like we got something here, folks. It is G. First guess was the right one. Right, get that done. Got number 2 in there. I guess you could put more if you have more screws, but they only provide you with 2. There we go. Nice and tight. Nice and tight. So now what we got is our post. Now, as you can see, we got our post all put together, pretty much assembled. The one thing you might want to do is attach the extension. This extension is extremely tall. Like, I'm just aghast for how tall it is. It beats me and my common sense of how tall they would want something like this, but this is tall. Got a lot coming to it. So I got these two together here. Now we're going to throw the arm on after. For practical purposes of this video, I will be clamping to the other side of my desk and just showing you how to mount a monitor. Now for me, this is a little bit too tall. We're going to have to go down a little bit because I don't have enough room above me. So we're going to do that. Hopefully I don't kick anything off. And from there, we're going to mount the clamp. Next, we're putting the monitor on to the VESA stand. Basically, there are 2 ways to do it. If you have a curved monitor, you'll want to use the black S plastic parts. And if you're not, you're just going to use the Q. We're going to use Q. We're using some 20-inch or 19-inch Samsung monitor for this. So line up the holes. Screw in the backs. Backs are screwed in. Now look for H. It's H, L, and K. And I think you just need this little top side bolt ski. From there, position your monitor, line it up, and then screw down that top part. If you've got some type of wrench, you should use that. If not, I'm just gonna screw it on as hand tight as possible. And from there, hope for the best. It's still loose, still very loose. Need to tighten it. Wrench. Not gonna work here. I do have a tool for that though. So I'm gonna try these needle nose pliers. Hopefully they do something. Tight. So now flip this up, tighten the back side real quick. Just get you in view here. Tighten it up this one. And now We're gonna loosen the arm. Now we're gonna lower it a little bit more and tighten it. Tight we can get it, I guess. It has, you can use a hex key for the final tightening. So just know that you can do that. There's no way you're gonna tighten this with just your hands. All right, now I guess you can tighten the monitor. Nope, too small. Okay, so folks, as you can see, monitor's mounted. Here's a better view of it. This arm straightens, of course. This turns. So you can hook up a couple other things to this pole. You can order more arms, which can be used for camera, microphone, lighting. So if you found this video helpful, give it a good thumbs up and subscribe for more. We will go through this more and more as we get more parts for it. Just haven't gotten around to it. So it will be coming up in new videos upcoming in the next upcoming weeks, maybe before Christmas, maybe not, probably not. But I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for checking out this video. Peace out.